Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to a nice speed clean. Today we are going to tackle the bedroom, the office, the whole stairs and landing and the lounge, dining room and kitchen because they needed a deep clean. I'd been in work for 5 days solid, so the house was relatively tidy. It just needed cleaning and tidying the way that I like it to be. And you get to see how my bedroom's looking up to now too. I just used my good old trusted favourite, which is Pledge Polish, to clean the surfaces in the bedroom because in the winter I find when the central heating's on that my house gets extremely dusty. This is a 1930s house, so there is absolutely nothing that I can do about it, but I do find that the Pledge Polish works best for minimising dust also. For the first time ever, I'm actually using Audible to read books or obviously listen to books. I don't really know how I feel about it. I had the first month free and I've purchased 2 books and I'm paying the monthly subscription, but I don't think it's going to be something that I'm going to keep simply because I do prefer to sit down and read a book. I think I'm more of a visual person than an audible person. That doesn't mean that I don't listen, it's just I find it more soothing and relaxing to read a book, and I feel like it does sink in better when I read a book. So I'm just trying out Audible at the moment. This is not an advert and it's not sponsored. I paid for it and I paid for the 2 books, so I'm going to listen to the 2 books and then decide whether I want to cancel it or not. But I've just got my old lamps out because I'm struggling at the moment to find some bedside lamps that aren't really similar to what I've already got, and these are beautiful lamps, but I think if anything I'm going to try and change the lampshades on them for something more linen style than the white ones. So that's the bedroom all nice and clean. I love my boxes on the IKEA stand. I got them from All That Jazz when I went there a few days ago. You'll see that in a future vlog coming, but yeah, I absolutely love those boxes. The bedroom, the bedding on the bed is not staying either. I found some nice new bedding from Georgia Asda, so the next video that you'll see, you will see the nice new bedding on the bed.
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from.
Actually really miss sitting and working in my office, and since I put those Malm chest of drawers in place, I really struggle to sit at the computer and work at it. I do have a laptop, my MacBook Pro, but the storage, the memory inside this laptop is nothing in comparison to my iMac computer. So I am in the process of sorting out the office to put a desk in place. I just need to find one that's around 100 centimetres long, if not a little bit shorter, and do away with the Malm chest of drawers and put a desk there so I can work and edit and everything else from the iMac. It's going to be so much easier for me. So a quick once over, this air freshener, the designer fragrances in the Royal Leather Oud, is absolutely beautiful. It's my favourite fragrance from their line, so they do send me PR packages with new fragrances, but I purchase from this brand also. I absolutely love their air fresheners. If you're like me and you like a nice strong air freshener that lasts, I highly recommend the blast cans from designer fragrances. I will link them down below for anybody who wants to try them. Some fragrances are £4.99 and some are £5.99, but they last so well, and they do a Creed Aventus dupe too.
I don't usually like people, no.
This is one of the things that I hate about winter, is actually drying the washing that can't be dried in the tumble dryer. So I like to put it on the maiden upstairs in the bedroom because I don't like laundry on the radiators or anything like that, and I do use a dehumidifier which has been specifically made for drying clothes. Mine is here, it's the Logic dehumidifier, and as you can see I basically switch it on, it opens the fan. It's for drying clothes and it's also for dehumidifying, but this is absolutely outstanding. I set it for 4 hours and make sure the windows are closed, and I close the door and I come back in and all the laundry is dry on the Maiden. I highly recommend them. If you are scared of suffering with mould or damp in your home, I highly recommend the dehumidifiers for this. They take out any condensation off the windows or anything like that. They're just amazing. I couldn't dry my laundry in the winter without it. What doesn't go in the tumble dryer goes on the Maiden and it's dry within 4 hours.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I used to let it in, all the things.
And that's it. Everywhere is nice and sparkly and clean, just how I like it. The products that I've used in today's cleaning videos is Mr. Muscle's glass cleaner. It's my favourite glass cleaner. I absolutely love it. I use the Methods antibacterial cleaner. I think it's an all-purpose cleaner in rhubarb and it smells absolutely beautiful. I use the designer fragrances Royal Oud Leather room freshener around the house so the house smells gorgeous. I used a green cloth for polishing the glass, a pink microfiber cleaning cloth or a e-cloth, whichever one you have, and upstairs in the bedroom I used Pledged Polish. And that's it. The house is nice and clean. Thank you everyone who's watched this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you all in my next video.